this is an example to help you see what you will need to do for the project. I want to buy a sectional sofa for $3,500. My bank pays 5% interest on savings. That's ridiculously high for a savings account, but I want to show you with some figure without it being the exact figure that you will use for your savings account. My credit card charges 45% interest on charges. Again, a ridiculously high percentage, but I don't want to use the same percentage that you find for your credit card. How much should I save or pay? And I'm going to come up with one figure for this. So how much should I save or pay each month? I do have to note that if I charge $3,500 on my credit card, I will have to pay at least $350. So the amount I choose has to be greater than or equal $350, which is 10% of the charge amount. So I'm going to just go ahead with that minimum amount and say I will make $350 deposits every month to save up for this sofa, or if I were to purchase it using a credit card, I would pay off each month by $350. So we are trying to compare the two types of purchasing plans. One is to save up before I buy the sofa, and the other is to pay off a credit card charge. So first question, how long will it take to save $3,500? How much will I end up paying if I save up? How long will it take to pay off my charge if I use credit and I would make a charge of $3,500? How much will I end up paying if I charge my purchase? Those are all questions that you will need to answer as well for your project. Now, just a little note on your project, you will need to look online or in a store, however you want to do it, for a sofa that you like, and you need to get a picture of the sofa with the price from the company that you decide to buy the sofa from. So if you go to the store, you need to take a picture that has the sofa and its price together so that you can read the price and say, okay, this is a sofa. It's up to you if you want to consider a sale on a sofa and use the sale price, or if you just want to use the original price. Since you're not actually buying the sofa, we're just pretending here, then you can decide whichever way you want to go. You will embed that picture in your report, and you can use snipping tool to take a snip of an online savings account, or you can take a picture of your own personal savings account with the interest rate that it has, but I really would go online for your bank and just take a snip of the interest rate for your bank. Make sure that you use snipping tool to circle your interest rate that you're going to use, because often it'll show like a bunch of different rates and I have no way of knowing which one you use, so make sure you circle it. And then for your credit card charge, look online. If you have a credit card, look for your credit card account on your bank online and see if you can find that rate, and again circle it. So if you don't have a credit card, there's a website that'll show you different credit card offers, and you can just choose one. Don't actually sign up for it, just choose it. Select the part where it shows the interest rate and then circle the actual interest rate that you'll use, or write it in, because sometimes they'll have a range of rates. And so you figure out which one you think you would qualify for, and then you're going to circle that rate so I know which rate you're going to use. So for the part where I'm doing the calculations, that's what I want to show you right here. How much should I save or pay each month? I decided 10% of my sofa cost because that's what my credit card will charge me.